Well, good afternoon to you, or it's afternoon with me. Good morning if it's morning time, and good evening if it's evening time with you. The trading room here, and Nick, with me, Nick, and just a further update on this pound-dollar binary I have, which is basically a put saying it will be lower than 139.82. And as you can see by the countdown here, there's 1 hour and 17 minutes or so to go, and we're on the right side of the trade, which is very nice to be. Always good to be on the right side. And attempting to build this account up. This is a real account with real money, so real emotions are involved. And if there is enough interest for the channel, I will be talking more about the fundamental analysis of currencies, which is overcomplicated by many people. Risk management, which is incredibly important to a trader. You need to have very, very good risk management. And technical analysis. The top traders really only use a few indicators. And if you're using moving averages, you're being misled. The top boys don't use them. There is one exception to that rule, and that's on the 4-hour chart, and the default is 6. It's not what is on most of the trading platforms. And the reason for 6 is 6 times 4 is 24, and it gives you an indication, and I emphasize only an indication, of the momentum of the currency pair during the course of the last 24 hours. And that can assist as one of the indicators that can indeed give you a more informed decision. Excuse me. But this trade is looking rather good. I'm quite happy with this. And we will see. I'll give a final update in about an hour or so when the trade is closed out, whether it's for a profit or a loss. Unlike many people who make their videos, I do include my losses, so it's totally transparent. And I'll tell you a few tales and anecdotes of my experiences in the trading rooms of banks in the past, albeit a long time ago, but the same principles apply for trading currencies, stocks and options. So I've set up some live events as well, and I'm getting into a little bit of ranking websites as well. So I'll pass on and share my information regarding how to rank sites on Google. There is certainly, it's not difficult, but as with anything in life, it's knowing what to do. And there's a lot of people out there claiming to rank things, but they don't show you any results. And also with traders, I always ask to see their results. You'll see my good, the bad, and the ugly with my trades, so I will always be transparent. And this is a real account, and my challenge is to build this up into larger trades over the next few weeks and make it show you how you can have a very successful account as well. So from me, Nick, in the trading room, hope you're having a good day. Be good to each other, be good to yourself, and I'll be with you later. Thanks for watching. All the best. Bye.